made today, we present a court pronouncement about the dismissal of an employee due to pregnancy. This case highlights discrimination in the workplace and shows how leadership styles influence management decisions. We will apply for organizational behavior models, the automatic model which focuses on power and authority in a custodial model, which focuses on economic security and benefits.
The Honorable Supreme Court is now in session. Silent hereby adjourned.
Ms. De La Cruz presiding. Please be seated. We are hearing the case of Mika versus Philippine Telegram and Telephone Company regarding Field Permit 2318.75 and alleged illegal dismissal due to pregnancy.
Attorney Gregorio, you may proceed.
Your Honor, my client voluntarily disclosed this information during the preliminary conference. She is willing to settle the obligation. Is there proof of her willingness to pay? Yes, Your Honor. She executed a promissory note.
Now, let's proceed to the main issue, the dismissal due to pregnancy and company claims to provide salaries, benefits, and job security. However, when Ms. Velasco became pregnant, a time when she needed financial and medical support, the company removed her employment. Instead of providing security, they took it away.
Manager, was due process observed?
No formal hearing was conducted. Your Honor, the decision came directly from management. We believe her pregnancy might affect her productivity and reliability.
Your Honor, when I told my supervisor that I was pregnant, she said my condition might affect our productivity. A week later, I received a termination letter. I was not given any warrant to hear.
Your Honor, management believed that her pregnancy would interfere with operations. We act in the best interest of the company.
Did you conducted an investigation or give the due process?
A formal hearing was conducted. Your Honor, the decision came directly from management.
Your Honor, Philippine Telegram and Telephone Company values employee welfare. We provide security and benefits. The company provides maternity benefits under the expanded maternity leave law. The termination was not due to pregnancy, but due to performance concern and operational things.
Call your witness.
I call Manager Tansan to stand.
Ensure employee security through benefits and compliance with labor laws. However, Mika had performance issues prior to her pregnancy announcement.
But, Your Honor, pregnancy is not a valid ground for termination. The organization should ensure economic security. Instead, the company used its power to remove her stability. If the company follows, will ensure protection and security. Why was a pregnant employee dismissed instead of being suspended?
The company believed it was a business decision, not discrimination. As her manager, I was concerned about her health and the physical demands of the job. Management decided it would be difficult for her to continue.
So the decision was influenced by her pregnancy.
It was considered yes.
After hearing both sides, this court found that the manager abused its authority by dismissing the employee without due process. The company failed to protect the employee's economic security during pregnancy. Dismissal due to pregnancy is discriminatory and illegal. Therefore, Philippine Telegram and Telephone Company is ordered to reinstate Mika and provide full package and benefits. All rights. The court is adjourned.
This case reminds us that leadership style affects workplace fairness. Power without compassion leads to injustice. Organization must balance authority with protection and respect for employee rights.